How's it going, everyone? My name is Spraychelangelo, and for those of you who don't know, this channel is all about spray painting, and today I'm going to be making another superhero. Today I'm going to be making Doctor Strange. For those of you who don't know who Doctor Strange is, I don't know why I'm bothering to explain this, but for those of you who don't know who Doctor Strange is, he is a sorcerer, and he doesn't really come until later in the Marvel series. Today I'm not going to be making Doctor Strange the way how you would see him in the movies. I'm making him, it's kind of like a comic book version of him. This painting's gonna look awesome, I promise you. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more superheroes, comment on what I should do next. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get to the painting.
Let's get painting, guys.
That about does it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel to see more. Comment on what I should do next. I will see you guys in the next spray painting video.